In this video, I will show you how to redeem a gift card on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and redeem a gift card, whether that's a physical gift card or digital gift card, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your name up here. And on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto account details. Once you're on your account details, what you want to do is come to the store and purchase history section and click onto add funds to your Steam wallet. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. As you can see, there's some different funds we can add to our wallet, but if you look to the right hand side, you're going to see a link here to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So all you need to do is give that a click, and then what you can do is enter your Steam wallet code or gift card code into here, just like so. Once that's done, go ahead and click continue, and of course if the code is correct, that's going to go ahead and add those funds to your Steam wallet. So that is how to redeem a gift card on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.